Today, we're going to build a Type 15 Shuttlepod using 7 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I'm going to start with a 2x3 plate piece. And I'm actually going to get 2 of these 2x3 plate pieces and put them together because we're just adding height so we can kind of get that squared body of our shuttlecraft here, our shuttlepod. Now, on the front 2 studs, I'm going to create the canopy of our shuttlepod. And to do that, I'm going to get 2 of these cheese wedge slopes in translucent black and have them sloping from the front to the back. So I do that twice where they slope from the front to the back on the front 2 studs. And now for the back 2 studs, I'm gonna grab this 2x2 curved slope piece with lip. And I put it so the lip is in the back of my shuttlepod, and that kind of gives it that nice little rounded, smooth look of our shuttlepod in the back. And then this is the body, but I still need to put the engines, those engines underneath. And to do that, I'm gonna grab 2 of these 1x2 plates with the door rails. And those door rails are gonna be like the engines. And what I do is I put that on the back of my 2x3 plate on both sides. So there's 1, 2, and now I've got the engines to my Type 15 Shuttlepod from Star Trek.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.